Hello everyone. In today's video I will show you that how you can share your mobile internet smart TV by using the hotspot. So it's very easy. So the first thing that we should do that we need to turn on the mobile sharing, internet sharing from your mobile phone. So let's check on this. Okay, the first thing we need to get into the mobile screen and we need to turn on the mobile hotspot. So you just need to drag it like that and just get into the settings, and you will see the option here, personal hotspot. Tap on it and hold it and you will reach to the settings, and the first option is the personal hotspot. Just make sure this is turned on. Just tap on it and it will turn it on, and you need to note down the hotspot settings, like the hotspot name, like mine is 1+7, and the password you need to make a note of it, because we need to enter this password on your TV screen. So let's get into the TV screen now. So now we have turned on the hotspot from the mobile. So we'll go to the TV and we need to get into the settings. So use your TV remote and over to the settings here. Now you will see the Wi-Fi. Click on it and you will see a list of available networks over here. Mine is connected as of now. This is my Wi-Fi. I will be using a mobile 1+7. This is my mobile hotspot. So I have already saved it, and at the moment I will click on it, it will connect automatically. But for you, if you're doing it for the first time, you need to enter the password. If you remember from the mobile screen, you have made a note of the password. So when you connect on it, it will ask you for a password. It did not ask for me because I have connected it already, so it connected directly to the system. So yeah, that's how you can connect it, and now you can use your mobile internet easily on your smart TV. Thank you for watching.
PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.